wishes all remains the best. What's the point when I could dance instead? When you walked out, you did me a favor. You made me see reality. But love is a bourgeois construct. It's a blatant fallacy. You will see me with a bunch of roses. One of us infidelity. That doesn't mean a thing to me. Talking tough and feeling bitter. But better now it's clear to me that love is a bourgeois construct. So give up the bourgeoisie. While the bankers all get their bonuses, I'll just gallop on with what I got. Watching the weeds in the garden, holding my feet up our hearts. I'll explore the outer limits of boredom, moaning periodically. Just a full-time relay about that's me. When you walked out, you did me a favor. It's absolutely clear to me that love is a bourgeois construct, just like they said at university. I've been taking my time for a long time with all the Schadenfreude. It's